It's George from Protein Luxury Finishes. Have you ever wondered if there's a difference between P.O.P and plasterboard? Today I will try to discuss about that. P.O.P, like we all know, it is an in-situ form of false ceiling in the sense that we do it on site, the casting, the installation, everything is done on site. While plasterboard on the other side is a precast concrete, but in this case precast P.O.P in the sense that it is done in factories. The casting is done in factories, well packaged and transported to the shop and later to site. What are the advantages? I'll start with P.O.P. I'll give you 3 advantages of P.O.P. P.O.P is relatively cheaper, in this case comparing it to plasterboard, and we can cast it too now. We can cast it in different shapes, like we that deal with the royal, the luxury designs. We have designs that are quite flowery and have small details. So with P.O.P, when you pour it in, the shapes come out perfectly, so it comes out in different shapes and it lasts longer than plasterboards. So what are the disadvantages? For P.O.P, you need a highly skilled personnel to be able to install them perfectly. That is where we come in. Number 2, because of the mess that P.O.P costs, when you put the cost of cleaning and every other thing, the price is quite expensive to pay at the end of the day because of the damages that is done, and it is quite messy. Advantages of gypsum board or plasterboard, I'll give you 3. It is relatively fast to install compared to P.O.P, and also it is less messy because it comes in precast shape. It takes away that stress of casting on site, so it's just the installation, and you don't have to mix any cement, only P.O.P with water. What are the advantages of plasterboard or gypsum board? It is less messy because it comes in precast form. And another advantage is because it comes in big regular shapes, sometimes 1.2 meter by 2.4 meters or 3 meters in some cases, the joints are a little bit reduced in the room compared to normal P.O.P where we cast small portions, so the joints are quite much compared to this plasterboard. Disadvantages: when plasterboards are to fail, you know those joints where it is made, where the 2 plasterboards come together, those are the places of failure, and it is very rampant. And once that joint fails, everything goes for nothing. And in maintenance, where you want to carry out maintenance, chances are you have to pull down the whole board where that maintenance is to be carried out. And in both cases, they don't like water. So once water happens to come in contact with either the plasterboard or the main P.O.P, it comes to nothing. So putting all these factors into consideration, which should you go with? If cost is your major consideration, then go with P.O.P. But if you want a modern and contemporary look, go with plasterboard. And if you want a royal P.O.P, come to Plaster. And we offer the service of installing both. So in either ways, you can contact us. Thank you.